In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to ClickUp for an easy integration experience. Whether you're managing projects or tracking tasks, seamlessly linking these two tools can streamline your workflow, saving you time and effort. So let's get started. First, ensure you have both a Notion and a ClickUp account set up and ready to go. Having everything in place before beginning will make the process smoother and faster. The next step in this integration is to employ the use of Zapier, which serves as a bridge between Notion and ClickUp. You'll need to create a Zapier account if you don't have one already. Zapier is an incredibly useful automation tool that allows you to connect a multitude of apps without any coding necessary. Once you're logged into Zapier, you'll want to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially a workflow or automated task between your chosen apps. To begin, click on the Make a Zap button. The first part of this Zap is to set Notion as your trigger app. The trigger is an event that kick-starts the entire workflow. You can select an event such as New Database Item, which initiates the Zap whenever a new item is added to your Notion database. To proceed, you need to connect your Notion account to Zapier. Simply follow the prompts to log into your Notion account, granting the necessary permissions for Zapier to access it. This integration requires you to select the specific Notion database that you'd like to connect, so take a moment to find and select the correct one. After successfully connecting Notion, the next step is to set ClickUp as your action app. This means that the action will be performed in ClickUp whenever the trigger happens in Notion. For this, select Create Task under the available ClickUp actions. Similarly, just as you did with Notion, you'll need to link your ClickUp account. Follow the instructions to log in and authorize Zapier to use it. Once ClickUp is connected, you'll have several options to define how each new Notion item translates into a task within ClickUp. You'll specify how the information should appear by mapping fields from Notion to ClickUp, such as the task name, description, and due date. Ensuring all the fields align correctly is crucial for maintaining consistency and relevance. With everything mapped out, it's a good idea to test your Zap to make sure it behaves as expected. Zapier allows you to test the integration with a sample data entry to verify that tasks are created correctly in ClickUp. Once the test is successful, congratulations! You can now turn on your Zap. This means it's fully functional and will automatically transfer any new items added to your Notion database into tasks in ClickUp. Remember, you can also customize and refine this workflow further as your needs evolve. Exploring the additional options that Zapier offers could open up even more possibilities for automation. And there you have it. A seamless connection between Notion and ClickUp, enhancing your productivity and making task management a breeze. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.